Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you two simple methods to see your Facebook password if you've forgotten it without changing it. First, open the settings on your phone, then search for the password. Next tap Password Manager. Here you will see Facebook, tap on it, enter your phone's lock screen password. Your saved Facebook password will be revealed. On iPhone, open the Passwords app from your home screen search. Type in Facebook, tap your account, and you can view your saved password here as well. If you've saved your login details in Chrome, open Google Chrome, then search google.com in the search bar. Tap the profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. In the search bar, type passwords, then choose Password Manager. Tap on Facebook and enter your device password to reveal your Facebook password. Here you'll see a list of saved logins. Tap the eye icon and enter your device password to reveal your Facebook password. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Facebook password without resetting it. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.